Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tonight we would like to run our English podcast as we call Weekend Tech Talk. Yay! And this evening or this occasion, we would like to talk about Ether channel technology. Nah, Ether channel technology can be used for switching technology, and as you can use this service by Cisco vendor and maybe other vendor. Nah, do you know Cisco vendor? What the meaning of Cisco? Or maybe you have configured with Cisco device.
Maybe little configure of Cisco device is for the beginner because maybe I
Beginner.
beginner of Cisco, and before Cisco I'm study Microtik. Maybe just little configure about Cisco, and maybe basic is configure of SPF, and
Okay. If you compare what the easily use Cisco or Microtik.
maybe is no Microtik is very basically for
Configuration.
basic configuration for the beginner in IT networking. Maybe I choose Microtik. How about Dylan?
Okay, if we use networking device, maybe I would like to prefer Cisco. Because of what? Because the Cisco is commonly used for the enterprise. And then, as you can say before, Microtik is easily used, right?
Yeah.
But Microtik is for the basically knowledge for device network. And then we can directly talk about switching technology. Nah, the part of switching technology that we would like to talk is Ether channel. Ether channel is layer 2 technology that can be run for switch by switch or MLS by MLS. And we can see for the topology here. The topology may be like this, as you can see here, MLS1 and MLS2. If we use just for one connectivity, one interface, 100 megabyte, maybe like this, 100 megabyte Mbps for fast Ethernet. Nah, just like for one interface. If you use 3 interface,
300.
yeah, you use 3 interface, 1, 2, and 3. The speed is 300 Mbps, right? Right. But if you're running on Cisco, this scenario is cannot running. Because of what? Because there is spanning tree protocol. There is spanning tree protocol. What the meaning of the spanning tree protocol? Yeah, the loop prevention for looping issue.
Looping issue.
Nah, if we want to use 300 Mbps for 3 interface, you cannot use 3 interface directly. Okay, but I need 3 Mbps. I need 300 Mbps. Okay, the answer is you can use one logical interface as Ether channel, but the physical as usually three interface.
Three.
And the Ether channel protocol can be described as three services: LHCP, PLGP, and layer 3.
Layer 3.
Nah, for this occasion, we would like to configure the Cisco Ether channel technology using LHCP. LHCP is open vendor. Yeah, it's open vendor. You can use Cisco with other networking device. Okay, we just like configure for this interface or for these devices. We can directly configure with host MLS1. And for the configuration of Ether channel, you can use channel ID.
Channel ID.
Yeah, channel group ID 1. Oh, before you use channel group, you can adjust what the interface can you use for the Ether channel.
Three interface.
Yeah, perhaps FI0/1 until 3. Okay. Can directly use here interface range F01 until 3, and then channel group
Channel group
1 mode. And for LHCP there is 2 mode, active and passive.
active and passive.
Yeah. For MLS1 you can use active, and MLS2 active, or you can use active passive as active passive, but you cannot using passive. There is only the rules for active. You can not using passive. Okay, maybe for MLS1 you can use MLSA. Yeah, you can use mode active. Okay, exit. If we configure Ether channel for one device, the other device can have configure MLS2. Yeah, you cannot configuration Ether channel just only for one device. You can use Ether channel configuration for both device. Yeah, we can directly use MLS2. No, and then hostname MLSD, and you can configure interface range F01 until 3, channel group 1 mode active can, or you can use passive.
Passive. Because this is in this router is active and this router is passive.
Yeah, correct. This active and this passive, or this active, this active. You cannot use passive. No. If we configure Ether channel like this, the speed is at 300 Mbps for one logical interface, but the three interface physical. Maybe for the scenario like this, we can bundling this interface as one interface logical. Okay. The note for all of you, Ether channel have indication green. Yeah. If we facing interface down, we cannot use Ether channel. We can use Ether channel if all of interface is green for one device and other device. Okay, if we test connectivity, maybe interface PO1, IP address like this. Yeah. IP address. Oh, no switch port maybe. Interface PO. uh, switchboard maybe. Nah, and then IP address.
IP.
Nah, exit, and we can use for MLS2 interface P01. No switchboard. No switchboard, and then we configure IP address.
IP address.
Okay, exit, and we can connectivity result to ping for 111. Okay, the connectivity we can use, yeah. For the first scenario is 80%.
80%.
If you can repeat the connectivity, yeah,
It is 100.
success rate is 100%.
Oh, and this is well done.
Yeah, well done for our scenario topology for LHCP Ether channel topology.
Maybe we can use simulator for the viewers,
Simulator like what?
like in here to here to
Simulation.
simulation.
Okay. If you would like to see the simulation of the packet can be run, you can use this packet simple video from MLS1 to MLS2. The first step using IRP, but previously we have connectivity from MLS1 to MLS2. We can use ICMP directly.
ICMP. Oh yeah, ICMP.
Nah, this scenario MLS1 send packet to MLS2, and then MLS2 send back to MLS1. Nah, the result is successful.
ICMP.
Yeah.
For the thingy.
Yeah. Okay, maybe enough for our configuration for switching technology Ether channel. From your side or from your self, if there is a question, maybe
little question about what maybe we use 5 Ether channel or maybe 10 Ether channel.
no.
Just
we if we would like to have Ether channel topology, yeah, as your need, if you need 300 Mbps for interface F-phase Ethernet forward interface 100 Mbps, right? Yeah, as you need 300 Mbps, yeah, 3 interface.
For 400 berarti 4 interface.
Yeah.
Oh,
maybe we can see here interface range no, 1 until 3 or until maybe until 9 channel group. We can bundling until many interface as we need.
Oh.
Okay, enough from your side. Okay, and maybe enough from me and from my partner, my best friend, Mas Dennis. And we can close our English podcast right now with Alhamdulillah, and if there is a question from all of you, you can ask the chat color. Yes.
Or komentar.
Yeah. Okay, follow our channel and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Yoi. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for all of you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.